real gestures that drive women crazy. Hey, what's up, subscribers? Welcome to Cyclogy. When it comes to flirting with a woman, we must keep in mind that body language can help us a lot. Also, if we do not use it well, it can harm us. Therefore, in addition to taking care of your verbal language, keep in mind the gestures you carry out while you are talking with her. Here are a few tips to use to flirting with girls. Keep watching to learn more. Number 1, no sudden movements. If you move abruptly with your hands or feet, you can give a feeling of insecurity and nervousness. Try to make slow movements that make the woman feel safe. Number 2, look into her eyes. When you talk to them, look into their eyes. Do not lose sight of the landscape, and above all, do not look at their female parts. Have a deep look and blink slowly. Number 3, feel secure. A seductive man is one who feels secure and does not care about the others. Smile and feel secure with yourself. This way you will give her security and she will want to keep talking to you. Number 4, the voice. When you talk to her, you must appear relaxed, so do not forget to keep a soft voice while you talk. Speak slowly and pronounce the words well. You will succeed in maintaining a smooth conversation. Number 5, reduce distances. As you talk to her and you get her to feel relaxed and comfortable in the conversation, try to get closer to her and break the invisible barrier that separates you. Number 6, show the palms of the hands. If you show the palms of your hands while speaking, it means security and sincerity. Number 7, fix your eyes on her. A true Don Juan always looks fearlessly at the woman, making her feel secure. Even if you do not get the same effects on her, do not underestimate it. If you make her feel secure with you, you will have a much better chance of winning her. Number 8, do not get too far apart. Try during the conversation to close an imaginary circle with the two of you inside. Number 9, touch her. If the conversation you are having is suitable to do so, touch her shoulders or arms while you tell her something or while you joke with her. This will help break the barriers between the two. Number 10, enjoy the moment. If she notices that you are enjoying talking to her, you will have much more options then. She will also enjoy talking to you. These 10 tips can help you improve your dating with women, but the main advice we can give you to be just the way you are. Follow the aforementioned instructions without trying to pretend the person you are not.